Hey guys, in this video we are going to read about how to calculate median for our BCBR exam. So median is a very easy thing to calculate. तो आप कैसे calculate करेंगे? Say suppose if you are given a question like calculate median of this data set or of this data set. So we will do the both of the questions simultaneously to understand the formula for odd number of data sets and even number of data sets. So what is this odd number of what I've written is the number of data sets we are given, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here n is 7 and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here n is 6. So this is odd number of data sets and this is even number of data sets. So why do we need to know the number of number of data sets? Because the formula of for calculation of median is different for both odd number and even number. So how we'll go for calculation of median? So at first we have to arrange the data set in either ascending order or in descending order. So let's go for it. So 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 10, 14, 13. And similarly we'll go for this question also. Either you can arrange it in ascending order or in descending order. So let's go for ascending order. That sounds easy, more easy and more compliant. So we have arranged the data set in ascending order. So now how to calculate the median? So for calculation of median for odd number of data sets, the formula is n plus 1 by 2. So and for even number of data sets, the formula for median is n by 2 plus n by 2 plus 1 by 2. So now we have to calculate the median. So what is n? N is 7. So 7 plus 1, 7 plus 1, 8 by 2. Sorry, 7 plus 1, 8 by 2, which is fourth value. So the number present at fourth position will be our median. That is 1, 2, 3, 4. This one. So our median is 5 for this data set. Now coming to the even number of data set. What is our n value? N is 6. So on substituting 6 in this formula, what we will get? 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 1 by 2. So what will be? Third value plus 3 plus 1, fourth value upon 2. So what is our third value? 8. So what is our third value? It is 8. What is our fourth value? It is 10. So it is 18 by 2. It is 9. So our median for this data set is 9. Did you understand this one? See, we have substituted n, that is 6, in this formula. So 6 by 2 plus 6 by 2 plus 1. So 6 by 2 is third value, and 6 by 2 is 3 plus 1, fourth value. So third value plus fourth value of what we have arranged either in ascending order or descending order, that is 1, 2, 3. Third value is 8, fourth value is 10. So we have substituted third value as 8 and fourth as 10th. 8 plus 10 by 2, that is 18 by 2 is equal to 9. So the median for this data set is 9. That's all. Thank you.